Hello and welcome to Keto Eats, your source for delicious keto recipes. Today I have another keto milkshake for you. An orange creamsicle milkshake. So you're going to start by grabbing a mason jar, or a cup if you don't have a mason jar. You're going to add some Himalayan pink salt, some liquid stevia, some vanilla extract, some orange extract. Be careful not to add too much, as orange is a very strong flavor. Then you're going to add the last ingredient, some heavy cream. Then you just shake it up, or stir if you used it in a regular glass. And that's it. Simple as that. For exact ingredient amounts, and to check out more delicious keto recipes, click the link below. Thank you for visiting my channel, and enjoy.